So we are in the Oak sitting room. This is considered to be the Vanderbilt's private apartment. So the Vanderbilts would have used this space as kind of their own retreat space, as a respite, if you will. If you had been a guest, a close friend of the Vanderbilts, you may have received a private invitation to come into this space for a visit, maybe to enjoy tea, but certainly to come in and view some of Mr. Vanderbilt's prized collections, which he had on display in this room. We know that one of George Vanderbilt's close friends, Joseph Choate, he visited here in 1902, and one of the great kind of clues that we found when working on this project was a letter that Mr. Choate wrote to his mother when he was visiting here. He spoke very clearly about coming into the room as visiting the Vanderbilt's private apartments, and this room being filled with Rembrandt etchings. He spoke of this room as being very royal and as a Rembrandt gallery. So one of my favorite components of this room is the Rembrandts that we've been able to bring into the space. George Vanderbilt was a world-renowned collector of Old Master etchings and prints, and he amassed a collection of Rembrandts that really rivaled any other collector in the country at the time. Over 20 years he collected, and in 1906 he ran into some financial hardship and decided to sell his collection to J.P. Morgan, who was also a very renowned print collector at the time. So unfortunately that collection's no longer with us, but it is now sitting in the J.P. Morgan Library in New York, and the staff there has been incredible to work with, and we've been able to go and work with their staff to select a little over 35 etchings in this room today to reproduce them. So we took high quality digital images from their collection and used a fine art printer to reproduce these exactly as they would have been presented during Vanderbilt's time.